and C1, C2 will be the basis for the vector space B. And suppose B1 can be written as, B1 is also basis vector. B1 is also basis, can be written as minus C1 plus 4 C2. And B2 is also basis vector. This can be written as 5 C1 minus 3 C2. C1 and C2 is also basis of the same vector space B. Find the change of coordinate of matrix for a vector space and find XC, the C coordinate of for the basis C, for X equal to 5B1 plus 3B2. Here we are given that X equal to, this is vector X, which can be written as the linear combinations of the basis vector B1 and B2. But we have to find out the C coordinate for X. So here, given that solution, here we are given that here the basis vector B and C, this B is the basis vectors B1 and B2. B1 and B2 is basis vector for the vector space B, and C is also basis vectors C1 and C2. C1 and C2 is the also basis vector for the vector space V. And also given that B1 can be written as, and given that B1 can be written as the linear combinations of minus C1 plus 4C2. This is given. My B1 is the basis vector for the, which can be written as the another basis vector C1 and C2, linear combination of C1 and C2. So the C coordinate, so C coordinate for B1, C coordinate for B1, C basis, this equals to the coefficient of minus C1. C1 is the basis, this minus 1 and this 4. This is the coordinate for basis C, minus 1 and 4. And another we are given that B2 is also can be written as B2. B2 is the basis vector. This also can be written as the linear combination of the two vectors, two basis vectors C1 and C2. 5C1 minus 3C2. 5C1 minus 3C2. So this is B2 is also basis vectors, which can be written as linear combination of C1 and C2. So C1 and C2 are the basis. So the C coordinate for B2, C coordinate, C is the basis for C2 for B2, which is 5. The coefficient of C1 is 5 and the coefficient of C2 is minus 3. Minus 3. So this is the C coordinate. C means basis coordinate for B2. B1 and B2. And so that B1C and B2C is this. And the change of coordinate matrix. Change of coordinate matrix is change of coordinate matrix. We have to find the change of coordinate matrix for a vector space, same vector space B. Change of from B to C. So change of coordinate matrix. Change of coordinate matrix. Change of coordinate matrix. This is called coordinate matrix. This is equals to coefficient of this minus 1 B1. The change of the B1 C coordinate for B1 and C coordinate for B2. This is the change of matrix, change of coordinate matrix. C coordinate of B1 is minus 1, 4, and C coordinate of B2. C coordinate of B2 is 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3. This is the change of coordinate matrix. Coordinate matrix minus 1, 5, 4 minus 3. And then we have to find XC. That means C coordinate for X. Where X can be written as, this is X, the vector X belongs to B. Also, this can be written as linear combination of basis vector B1 and B2. So we have to find C coordinate for, C coordinate for X. Here we are given that the relation is X equals to 5b1. X can be written as 5b1 plus 3b2. 5b1 plus 3b2. 5b1 plus 3b2. So the C coordinate for the basis, the C coordinate X vector, basis vectors, C coordinate. So this can be written as 5b1 plus 3b2. 3b2 for basis, the basis C coordinate is here. We write C, the basis C. So this can be written as 5b1c. B1 is the basis, B1 is the for C basis, and 3, this 3 B2 for C coordinate, B2 for C coordinate. We have already found that the C coordinate for B1, the C coordinate for B1 is this. C coordinate for B1, C coordinate for B1 is -1, 2, -1, 2. This is the C coordinate for B1 because C1 and C2 are the basis vector, and then 3 plus 3 C coordinate for B2. Here B2 can be written as 5c1 minus 3c2. So C coordinate for B2 is 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3. So this equals to 5 into is multiplied to -1 minus 5 minus 5. 5 is multiplied to 4. 20. 20 plus, there is plus this one. 3 multiplied by 5, 15, and 3 is multiplied by -3, -9. 15 minus 9. So coordinate C1 coordinate for B1C. B1C is B1 -1, 4, and this equals to 15 minus 15 plus -5 plus 15 is 10, and 20 minus 9, 11. 10, 11. This is the C coordinate for X, where C is the basis. C coordinate for X is 10, 11. In this way,